Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make scrambled eggs. Easy, fluffy, light, luscious scrambled eggs. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, and made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you'll always get my videos every time I upload one. Don't forget to give the video a like and share it out. I really would appreciate that. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay, we are back and we are going to go over our little simple ingredients for these scrambled eggs. Well, of course, the star of the dish, the eggs. Any kind of eggs you want to use, it doesn't matter. And you can put any ingredients that you want, that you like in your eggs. Some people like nothing in their eggs, just eggs plain. Some people like a lot of different things in their eggs. We're doing what I like in my eggs. Garlic powder, onion powder, just a tad bit of Himalayan salt just to bring out that extra flavor. And to fry them up, to scramble these eggs, you're going to need some olive oil and butter. It's going to be simple. It's going to be quick. And most importantly, it is easy. Okay, guys, let's get these scrambled eggs made. Okay, so I'll be using 3 eggs today. You can use as many as you like. You want to make sure they are well beaten so that you can incorporate the yolk really well along with the whites so you can have some amazing scrambled eggs. Now, after you start to beat them just a little bit to start to get them combined, go in and add whatever ingredients you want. I am putting in some onion powder, garlic powder, and just a tad bit of Himalayan salt. Now, a lot of people like cheese in their eggs, and if you're one of those people that likes cheese in your eggs, now is the time to add it too. You want to make sure it's well blended first, then add your cheese. Shredded cheese works best, and blend it in too. To make these scrambled eggs, it's all the same, no matter what ingredients you put in here. Want some peppers in here? Put some peppers in here. And we have another ingredient that I didn't mention in the beginning simply because I forgot. But you want to add some sort of liquid to your scrambled eggs. It can be a dash of milk, a dash of water, just maybe a tablespoonful. That's all that you will need. Me, I like jalapeno slices, the juice from it, not the actual slices, just the liquid, which I have a little bit here. Add that in, just about a spoonful, and continue to mix it. You want to mix this until you cannot see any separation in the white and the yolk of the egg. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is put your stove on medium-high heat. You're going to add some olive oil in there, and I will have the ingredients and measurements in the description for these scrambled eggs. Now, even though it's a quick and easy dish, don't rush it, so don't turn your skillet up on high. To your olive oil, you want to add about a tablespoon of butter. Just let that melt slowly as it wants to. Now, I have found the best skillet to use for scrambled eggs is a stainless steel skillet. You can use your cast iron if you want, but I always use my stainless steel skillet for my scrambled eggs. They just come out amazing. So just let the butter melt and the olive oil blend in, and we'll be back. Okay, once your butter and olive oil has heated up, swirl it around a little bit in your skillet. You want it to go all on the sides of your skillet so that as we scramble our eggs, all the surfaces that the eggs will touch will be covered. Okay, so next, if your eggs have sat for a minute, go ahead and beat them one more time. This is going to ensure that your scrambled eggs come out fluffy. Then we're just going to pour it in. Just pour it in. And now from here, you just wait until you can start to see through the eggs that they're starting to cook on the bottom. Once you can tell that they are starting to cook on the bottom, you just want to push it in and let the other run out. Okay, so we're going to wait and let this cook a little bit on the other side so that we can start bringing our eggs in from all directions. Once you get to your eggs where there's no more really to run off, at that point, you want to take a top and cover them. Leave them covered for about 2 or 3 minutes at the most. Just depends on how many eggs you have in there. For me, I have 3 eggs in here, so I'm gonna leave it covered for about 2 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes, and guys, this was actually a subscriber request for some easy recipes to actually start really learning how to cook. So if more of you all would like easy recipes like this, type down in the comments made from scratch, along with whatever else you want to say, but put made from scratch in the comments. And they are all done, guys. See, they're not sticking. Look at the other side. Yes, so we're gonna put these on a plate. So as you see, they slide off nice and easy. The other side is nice and yellow, so it's not burnt or brown under there or anything. And they are nice and fluffy. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys close up so you can take a really good look. Okay guys, we are all done, and I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of scallions, just to add a little pop to the dish. Okay guys, we are done cooking our scrambled eggs for today. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out here with me today in my kitchen while I cook scrambled eggs for you. Don't forget to share it out, give a like, and of course subscribe. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.